Presented here, and with their agreement, may we request the Honorable Minister from Nepal to release it in your presence and give. May I request the Honorable Minister? You would like to say some few words and then.
Yes, of course. I thought that the world was starting
Why
from
don't you sit here? And
Yeah.
you can sit there.
Should I start there?
Yes,
Or
please.
The minister. Please, you. Okay. Start. Well, thank you very much. First of all, of course, I'm really happy to be here because we have had many negotiations, many groups, and this is one of that, but it's much well focused on very specific aspects. And and just to make it shorter and not take many times from you, we are quite happy that we have the launch of this number of Industria Informazione, because we believe that it contains very interesting elements for the stakeholders, for all stakeholders, public, private, associations, and university. All together committed to work on decreasing the adverse effect of climate change through, for instance, the improvement of efficiency of the technologies. Here in this number there are contributions of many important people who work in that sector, and that provide suggestions, concrete examples on how to deal with the climate change through the efficiency of the equipment. This is something in which Italy, for instance, as our ministry, Presti Giacomo has said, we want really to push, because through the efficiency of equipment we believe that we can save CO2 in the atmosphere, and so with the related benefits on the climate. Of course, this is just one piece of the cake of the big problem of climate change, but if we may do further efforts in the negotiation here in Montreal Protocol and in the climate conventions, we are quite sure that sooner or later we will achieve our common goal, which is to save climate change and the ozone layer. With the ozone layer, we have done a lot and we are doing quite good, but now the remaining outstanding very important task is, of course, the climate change. And doing so, I leave you the word to the Minister of Pakistan, and thanks. Nepal. Sorry. And so again, thanks for being, thanks for having invited me, thanks UNEP for this, and so.
I am very happy to be here. This is a very important initiative and valuable to many stakeholders. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity to me.
Can you release it now? Can you present it and you can show it for photographs?
Sure. Okay.
To the
So you can
minister?
also
You can come here, PDL.
No.
Can I have another?